Okay, YouTubers, today we are at Long Hunter Park here in Nashville, Antioch area, and we are going to be going out on the lake doing some canoeing. So this ought to be fun. If you're ever in the area and you're looking for something to do, this is a great place to come. As you can see, it's really nice and hot. The lake is nice and open and calm, and so we're going to get out here and have a little fun today. So enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so if you come here for an hour, it's going to be $10 for 1 hour. And if you want to do longer than that, you can. So we're going to get ready to get our boat and get out on the lake, which is going to be fun. It's kind of blowed out. There you go. Get out on the lake. So this is going to be interesting because my husband is very skittish about being on boats. But I love it because I can swim. So let's have a good day. Okay, YouTubers, here we are on the boat. It is a beautiful day out here on the lake. As you can see, I am roasting and trying not to drop my phone all at the same time. This is a beautiful thing to do if you are out here on the lake. I hope you enjoy our view as we paddle a little bit. We're trying to get the flow of things. Sometimes it's kind of hard to do when you keep turning, but it's so much fun on a Sunday to spend the day out on the lake. Like I said, you can rent the boat for an hour for $10 and enjoy yourself with your partner. Hey, partner.
Hey, baby.
And so now we are headed back into the dock. We made it all the way to the bridge over there, which is a very much an accomplishment for us. So I have my GoPro footage, so I look forward to showing it to you. Please hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, so you can be notified every time we're out doing something crazy, because you never know where we're going to end up. And we're going to finish enjoying our day, and we hope you enjoy our footage. And hit that subscription button. All right. Enjoy. Here you go.